Our world is getting warmer, with extreme weather events becoming more serious and frequent. This visualization shows the difference in global average temperature since 1880. Since 1981, the average global temperature on Earth has increased at a rate of 0.3 degrees Celsius per decade. However, notice how dramatic the warming has occurred over the past few decades. In 1995, the second IPCC assessment report concluded that the balance of evidence suggests a discernible human influence on global climate, while the more recent 2021 IPCC report, the sixth assessment, asserted it is unequivocal that human influence has warmed the atmosphere, ocean, and land. Widespread and rapid changes in the atmosphere, ocean, cryosphere, and biosphere have occurred. The scientific process is working. With more and more evidence and data, the scientific community has coalesced around a common explanation for the changes seen in our current climate. After studying the scientific data and subjecting any conclusions to the rigorous peer review process, the scientific community has reached a consensus that our modern climate change is driven by human activity. In fact, there is no scientific debate among the experts on the urgency or cause of our modern climate change. In contrast, a recent survey by the United Nations Development Program showed that between 58 to 74% of people believe climate change is a global emergency. However, another survey showed that only 57% of Americans think global warming is mostly caused by human activities. These data are in contrast to the 99% consensus of climate scientists. The discrepancy between these two groups is significant. There is a perceived controversy around this topic in the popular media. Much of this discrepancy between the views of the scientific community and those of the general public is based on misconceptions or misinformation. Education is the key to understanding the climate crisis. In this chapter, you will learn the basic chemistry behind climate change, empowering you to understand the scientific basis of the current crisis and draw your own conclusions about what society's next steps should be.